Hello my friend, welcome back to Math Mode and happy to see you here. Today really good and really interesting problem. We have 1000 to the power 1000 and over by 500 to the power 500. And on the first side this problem is a real problem because we have like a giant power. We have 1500, we have the bases, giant bases of course, and if you rate it we will have a really giant number. But I want to show you how can we use math to solve this. But before solving this I want to ask you to leave a like, write any comment. It's really important and it helps to improve my channel. It's not hard to you, but it's really important for me. Thank you, and let's try to solve it. First of all, we can write this 1000 as 1000, so base I don't want to touch this base, but this power I want to write as 500 plus 500. So let's start with this. I can write it as 500 to the power 500. And I don't want to touch this denominator, so we have this expression. So right now I just change this 1000 at a sum of as 500 plus 500. And right now we need to know a really good property. If we have a to the power x plus y, so if we have a sum in our power, we can write it as a to the power x times a to the power y. So we can write it as a product. And this is our moment because we have same base right here, we have a sum, so this is our moment right now. We have 1000 to the power 500 times 1000 to the power 500 and all over 500 to the power 500. And right now I want to show you a really good trick right now. Every time we have a product, so we can easily group elements. Because we have a product, doesn't matter with division, we can group it. Right here we have multiplication, division, so we can group this element with this element. Let's group it. If we group it, we take this element in our parentheses. So we have 1000 to the power 500, and in our parentheses we have this element that we grouped. We have 1000 to the power 500 over 500 to the power 500. Okay, and right now it's really good moment to learn the next rule that we really need right now. If we have a to the power x over b to the power x, so same exponent but different bases, we can write it as a over b all raised to the power x. And let's use this rule right here. This is our case because we have different bases, same exponent, so we will have 1000 to the power 500 in the beginning, and we have in parentheses 1000 over 500 raised to the power, what power? Of course 500. And finally, we can easily simplify these parentheses because we have 1000 over 500. We all know that this is equal to 2, so we have 1000 to the power 500 times 2 to the power 500. And as you can see, if this rule works in division way, so this rule works in multiplication way, because right here we can write it in one parenthesis, so 1000 times 2 equal to 2000 to the power 500. And this is the maximum that we can do right now. As you can see, we don't have any fraction as in the beginning. We have only our answer. And if you're interested in this, of course you can solve this with your telephone. This is the maximum that we can do with this problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, leave a like, write any comment. I really appreciate it, and it helps me a lot to improve my content. Thank you, and see you in the next videos.